XRP price action got you covered in this video. FTX now selling even more. Yes, everyone, they got court approval to dump even more on the market. And a big player is exiting crypto, and it has to do with some banking issues. Regulatory scrutiny, anyone? And sorry for the delay in the late video today, but I had 3 workouts I had to accomplish, and I just got done with my last one. So again, apologies for not getting to you sooner. Elliptical, a sprint session, and a gym workout. I am exhausted, but 4 more weeks until my ultra marathon. Aunt Lynn starts us off by saying if Gary Gensler can meet with SBF and FTX multiple times and never realize what they were doing with their bookkeeping with crayons, yeah, seriously, they had QuickBooks, everyone. Basically, they had no real functioning company and issued them special use broker-dealer license. How can a celebrity be held accountable for a paid promotion? Aunt Lynn, rock on. The problem, though, Aunt Lynn, is that we got people out there and they're just trying to get money out of anywhere, right? I mean, they're sitting here, they're in the loss column, and they're like, dude, who can we go after with money? So you go after the celebrities that were promoting it. Joe Buddy hangs out with us and says, okay, Klaus, buy the rumor, sell the news, I hear you. Simple question. What is the rumor? The rumor is, well, it's going to be the first story we share. Bitcoin sitting at 37,830 ETH, 2032. XRP sitting at 60.8 with XLM right now at 11.8. So what's the rumor? Well, the rumor is that we look to be pricing in right now our first reduction in rates. One of the biggest expectations for the coming year is that the Fed will pivot to cuts in 2024. Our call today is from hedge fund manager Bill Ackman, who doesn't disagree, saying that it needs to be done ASAP. This is from Bill. I think the market expects sometime in the middle of next year. I think it's more likely as early as Q1. Holy crap, that's the founder and CEO of Pershing Square Capital Management. The market is currently pricing in a 41% chance of a rate cut by March, according to the CME Fed Watch tool. Ackman believes a weakening economy will likely demand an earlier move, and we're seeing evidence of that in some of our companies that have some concerns. Yeah, Home Depot has expressed concerns. Lowe's has expressed concerns. There's been some building companies out there expressing concerns. So, hey, you want buy the rumor, sell the news? Well, the rumor is the Fed might be cutting rates. And if that's something you believe in, you got to start making your plays early because everyone else is doing the same thing. SoFi is exiting crypto with banking regulators stepping up scrutiny. Oh, that's not good. SoFi, which started 12 years ago as a student lending refinance company, has expanded in a slew of other services and received a bank charter in 2022. The approval of the charter was conditional on a 2-year conformance period with its crypto business. The company either had to receive regulatory approvals or exit the digital asset sector. In August, the Financial Reserve, Jesus, Klaus, the Federal Reserve said it's stepping up its scrutiny of lenders' involvement in digital assets. The Fed, the FDIC, and the Office of the Comptroller of Currency in January detailed concerns with the volatile asset class. Watchdogs also denied the crypto firm's application to become a member of the Fed. Crazy, isn't it? So now you've got SoFi exiting the market. SoFi, according to statements, digital assets held about 139.4 as of September 30th. It's expected to report $2 billion in revenue this year, but they're not going to be able to open any new accounts. Existing members will have to migrate their crypto holdings over to blockchain.com by December 19th, or their remaining balances will be liquidated. All right, you're going to hear some rumors about FTX getting approval to sell a whole bunch of goodies, but I don't personally think you should be warned. And remember, a lot of you out there say I'm the negative one. So if the negative guy is saying something good, it must be really good. FTX approved to start selling $744 million in grayscale assets. FTX plans to sell the assets in a way that maximizes the value and avoids disrupting the market for digital investments. I have to completely agree with that because they've been liquidating assets for a while now. They actually hired a specialty firm to do this, and this firm's job is to do exactly this. Maximize value and avoid disrupting the markets. The reason is because they want to get as much as possible for the shareholders of FTX. FTX at one time they're saying is like 18 billion in assets. So whatever they can get, hey, it goes a long way to paying people back. The buyers didn't hold actual currencies, but instead got trusts in Grayscale that they put together and manage. FTX stakes in the trusts were worth about $744 million as of last month. XRP price action, look, still above 60 cents. I understand a lot of you out there are like, look, nothing burger after nothing burger. MasterCard, blah. Bitcoin ETF, blah. But you know what, everyone? if it starts being where the Fed is going to start pivoting to rate cuts that soon, okay, first quarter, I think is aggressive. I think that's really aggressive. And the reason I say that is because companies' earnings, okay, you're going to start seeing companies' fourth quarter earnings popping off in about end of January is when like you're going to start seeing a big flood of filing. End of January into February. So we got some time. So we're going to see some data from it. They're going to tell us, hey, are certain sectors weakening? Are certain sectors strong? So we're going to get some data there. The other thing we're looking at too is with these rates, if we start looking at first quarter and the data's coming out with sales, well, what do we have coming right around the bend? Yeah, housing selling season, everyone. And that's been the biggest contributor to inflation. What do we also have? Election season. And wouldn't it be weird, just kind of oddly coincidental, that all of a sudden we start lowering rates right before an election? So when we look at XRP in the window of XRP, I get it. When I zoom in here and I'm like, okay, MasterCard, nothing burger, right? Didn't do anything for us. BTC ETF pump, we erased a lot of it. Torres action, erased a lot of it. But you know what we're not going to be able to erase? Financial conditions opening up to be more favorable to investments in risky asset classes like crypto. And when you start seeing globally them taking the valve and turning off the valve and start cutting rates, that's when you're going to see a lot more money flowing into crypto and the development related to crypto. Now, what kind of picture does that paint for us? Well, I mean, you got to talk to SoFi, right? They couldn't get the regulatory action they needed. They're having problems with some banks. The UK, I just read before I went online earlier today, that guess what? UK banks now are crunching even further on crypto. So we still got to deal with some banking stuff. But if we can get money to flow easier, well, guess what, everyone? That makes the action looking out through here look even better. That's when we start looking at it going, okay, look. Are you going to be able to buy XRP at 40 cents anymore, 50 cents anymore? I mean, if we start opening up the valves and start lowering rates this quickly, guys, this could get pretty juicy. Now, you want to buy the rumor and sell the news? The rumor is people are already expecting right here for rates to start going 41% right now. People are expecting rates to be cut here. So they're already starting to place their bets now on riskier asset classes, assuming that if we have a couple more rate cuts during this year, that could set us up for even juicier and juicier action. Now, I'll be honest with you. I think first quarter is going to be really rough. I could see the Fed taking even longer pause. I do see, though, a little bit of, I guess, shenanigans, tomfoolery, whatever you want to call it, that somehow magically we could have maybe back-to-back rate cuts right before the November election, which would make the economy appear stronger than it really is. God, I wonder what side that would benefit. Oh my gosh. I know. I'm just speculating and just throwing it out there. But these are all things that we have to take into account because this is all about buy the rumor and sell the news, and crypto being forward-looking. So as per your comments, hey, what are the rumors? The rumors is that you are going to see an inflated fake market in the back half of 2024 to make it look juicy for the election. And then once the election is over, poop again. Yeah, that's the rumors, everyone, that we're hearing right now. And it's not just the United States with an election either. How many of y'all have big elections coming up in 2024? Yeah, that's right. Quite a few of you. Trick and I have even been talking about it as well, saying, yeah, you guys got some big ones coming up too. So there's a lot of pieces moving right now, and it's all about financial conditions and making sure that things look better. What's good about this, though, is you're seeing more and more financial experts out there say, yo, Fed, don't need to go anymore. The economy is softening on its own. We're not expecting fourth quarter to look juicy. First quarter is probably going to suck, too. So, hey, maybe we're done with the rate hikes and we actually start going to rate cuts. That would be awesome, everyone, because then a lot of the risky things that we all like to play in would be a lot more feasible. And when they're a lot more feasible, more people want to get into that pool and play in that pool. So good news around the bend. We just got to see when the Fed starts cutting rates. Well, I told you earlier, I just got done with 3 workouts today because I have a 6-hour ultra that I've been training now for. And I am actually on right now, everyone, week 12. And I've got 4 weeks left, 16-week training plan. What are you doing? Let me know in the comments below. And, 1 second real quick. I've got a little bit of a teaser for you. And I'm not talking about a little bit of OnlyFans teaser. Hold on. Briefcase. Check it out. Oh, that sounds nice, doesn't it? Oh my gosh, briefcase. Hold on, everyone. Oh, Klaus, did you? Yes, I did. Klaus, did you really? Yes, I did. Klaus, are you serious? Oh, I'm serious. Gold and silver show, everyone. Check it out. You will not be disappointed. Time for me to make some dinner. I'll catch you cool cats later.